A garden cart makes yard work easier by helping you transport soil, plants, and tools with less effort. The right cart saves time and simplifies gardening tasks. Starting at number 1, Gorilla Cart 7GCG NF Cart. The Gorilla Cart 7GG NF Heavy-Duty Polydump Garden Cart is a durable and versatile yard tool featuring a 7 cubic foot poly tub and a 200 pound capacity, perfect for hauling soil, tools, and debris. It comes with maintenance-free, no-flat 13-inch tires and a patented quick-release dumping system for effortless unloading. The sturdy steel frame is rust-resistant and easy to assemble, while the tight-turning steering ensures smooth maneuverability over tough terrain, making it an ideal choice for heavy-duty gardening and landscaping tasks. Number 2. Sunnydaze Utility Cart. The Sunnydaze Utility Cart with removable folding sides is a versatile garden wagon built from durable, powder-coated steel mesh with a 400-pound load capacity, perfect for hauling brush, soil, tools, and other yard materials. It features removable or fold-down side panels that let you convert it into a flatbed for larger loads, a large padded handle with 180 degrees turning capability, and pneumatic tires that roll smoothly over various terrain. The sturdy design makes it weather-resistant and practical for farm, patio, yard, or landscaping tasks, and it includes a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Number 3. VIVOHOME Heavy Duty Cart. The VIVOHOME Heavy Duty 880 aerobes capacity mesh steel garden cart folding utility wagon is a rugged yard cart built with a fully welded anti-rust iron frame and tough mesh steel bed, offering strong durability and reliable performance for hauling soil, tools, firewood, and more. It supports a heavy load, rated up to about 880 lums under normal use, and rolls smoothly thanks to large pneumatic noise-reducing tires that handle uneven terrain well. The ergonomic 180-degree rotating handle makes pulling and steering easy, and the removable mesh sides let you convert the cart into a flatbed for larger or awkward items, adding versatility to general gardening and landscaping tasks. Number 4. Suncast Garden Cart. The Suncast Garden Cart on wheels is a lightweight, versatile utility wagon with a 15.5-gallon resin body that makes hauling garden supplies, mulch, firewood, laundry, or groceries easy both indoors and outdoors. Its durable, weather-resistant construction and 2 7-inch wheels ensure smooth rolling and long-lasting use, while the extendable handle adds comfort and easy maneuverability. Compact yet spacious, this cart is ideal for seniors or anyone needing a simple, easy-to-use yard helper. Number 5. Gorilla Cart Steel Utility Cart. The Gorilla Cart Steel Utility Cart is a heavy-duty outdoor hauling wagon with a 7Q fit bed and up to 1,000 lb load capacity, built from rugged powder-coated steel to resist rust and wear in tough yard, lawn, garden, or landscaping jobs. It features removable side panels that let you convert the cart into a flatbed for transporting bulky items, a convertible 2-in-1 pull-tow handle that works by hand or hitched to a tractor ATV, and all-terrain pneumatic tires with tight-turning steering for smooth maneuverability across uneven surfaces. This sturdy cart combines strength, versatility, and ease of use for heavy-duty outdoor hauling tasks. Search